One is this like uncle, he's 55 types, and the other one is like younger, maybe 25, 30. The younger guy is like, oh, he's the man of honor, जो भी होता है, ठीक है, like आज का important मेहमान है ये, because इनका birthday, and I'm like, okay, so happy birthday, whatever, and they're like really drunk, they're falling on each other. So this guy presses, like, you know, you have to tap your key card to press which floor you want to go on. So this uncle presses 6th floor, and I have pressed my floor, which is the 3rd floor. तो मैंने 3rd floor press किया, and this uncle has pressed 6th floor, and uncle asks him कि बेटा आपको कौन से floor पे जाना है? This guy does not tap his card, pretends to tap his card, and he's like 3rd floor पे, and he looks me up and down, and I'm like, there is no fucking way that I'm getting out of the lift with this guy, right? So he gets off at the 3rd floor, and now he's looking like from bahar, lift के बाहर से, he's looking inside कि oh, now she's gonna come outside, and I'm like, no fucking way. So I go to the 6th floor with the other drunk uncle because I trust him more. I go to the 6th floor, then I go back to the 3rd floor, अपने floor पे. I'm about to get out, and he's waiting just lift के बाहर for me, and I'm like, what the fuck? Like मुझे दिल्ली में अकेले बाहर निकलने के लिए मना किया था, बट क्या मैं अपने होटल में भी अब अकेले बाहर नहीं निकल सकती? Especially when the reception guy just does not want to help me. And then I was like, I'm not getting out of this lift. So I go down, I go to the 0 floor. I ask the bell desk guy to come and drop me to my room. And that guy is still standing there. He comes and he drops me, and I enter my room, and I've double locked my room. That's how scared I am. Isn't that cute? And the bell desk guy, he was so sweet. He was like, मैम अगर आपको चार्जर चाहिए हो तो आप मुझे बता देना, मैं आपके रूम पे आके दे दूंगा, आप कॉल कर देना, ये नंबर है बेल डेस्क का. And why could the reception guy just not be a decent fucking human being? Like इस होटल में इतनी टंटेबाजी है, like for no reason. मेरे रूम में, मतलब मैंने थोड़ा सा खा लिया है, बट मैं तुम्हें दिखाती हूँ. There is this जूता एंड मैकरून. इसकी जरूरत है क्या गाइज मुझे? नहीं. बट ये तुम दे रहे हो हॉस्पिटैलिटी के नाम पे, पर जिस चीज की मुझे एक्चुअल जरूरत है, एंड इट्स नॉट इवन लाइक आई एम आस्किंग यू टू गिव मी अ चार्जर फॉर एवर. आई लिटरली बेग्ड यू टू गिव मी अ चार्जर फॉर 10 minutes. यू कुड नॉट डू इट. इतने बदतमीज हो गए हम.